Hey, it's Allison Watts from Transformational Practices, and I want to talk to you today about the difference between a transactional practice and a transformational practice. You can have a blend of both, and transactions are important. Um, you know, when I first got out in practice, and I know many of us do this, we focus so much on the procedures and step by step what we're going to do and how we're going to do it, and our systems and creating a manual, getting our team trained correctly. It's just a part of the I think the process. But I also, when I started, was trying to be a transformational practice, and to some degree I was, because my practice was founded on values. And that's really what a transformational practice is all about. Um, if you're clear, if the doctor is clear about your values and your philosophy and your beliefs and what you stand for in terms of how you're going to care for your patients, how you're going to treat your team, and just the overall feeling and environment of the practice, your team can take those beliefs and take those values and run with it and create an unbelievable culture for you. And then that culture is what creates the experience for our patients. As our patients come in, that's really what they see. The culture that we have is our brand. And that's what the patients notice, and that's what they respond to, and that's what they go tell their friends about. You know, today with all the corporate dentistry coming in, and there's dentists on every corner, you don't differentiate yourself by what you do. You know, I mean, you can say you do veneers or crowns or cosmetic dentistry or whatever, but there's plenty of dentists that do that. It's not what we do, it's how we do it. And there will always be patients who want this different kind of practice. And usually it's the higher level patients, the ones who really want quality work. And actually, there's people out there, I have them all the time, that go and have an experience in a transactional type practice, and then they decide they want something different. And I love that. They come because they want to be treated a certain way. So anyway, I hope that helps. And I'd love to hear your comments below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What kind of practice do you have? How did you create it? And we'll talk to you next week. Again, this is Allison Watts from Transformational Practices.